Hey guys, it is Monday here in West Virginia, so it's time for us to do our Mopar Monday. And as you see, we are at Mr. Norm's Grand Spalding Dodge, and we are going to be unboxing a Johnny Lightning car for you guys. It's been a while since we've done a JL car, and today is one of their better Mopar castings, in my opinion. It's true to scale and it is detailed very well. This is your 1969 Dodge Dart Swinger. Any of their 67 to 69 darts are very well done. Details are great. Scaling is almost spot on perfect for 164, which does not occur very often with Johnny Lightnings. Like, you could take their 70 Super B and put next to this, and they're the exact same size, which in real life they should not be. The dart should be significantly smaller than the Super B. So this is one of the few that you will find spot on with their scaling. This is very similar in size to the 71 dart from Auto World, which they should be. The dart from Auto World, the 71, is slightly smaller, which is actually accurate, but it's just very little bit smaller, and I will show you that in a moment here. So this car was released in 2017. As you see, new for 2017, die-cast metal body and chassis, authentic factory colors, limited edition. This is a pretty rare one. Only 1,800 were made, and it is a hobby exclusive. Not sure if you could get this at Walmart back then or not. So, anyways, it is in a bright red. This bright red almost looks like a Hemi orange in a way, but it is a little bit more red than orange. So, pretty cool looking color combo. Love the steel rims that are color coded with the body and the little poverty caps. Black vinyl top and black tail stripe. And this was a pretty good deal on eBay, but I don't know the seller's name anymore because it's been a while. But they shipped it in an envelope. The card was pristine when I ordered it, but now it's warped because of them shipping it in an envelope like an idiot. So anyways, yeah, it happens. Luckily, I'm an opener, so not that big of a deal to me. So, anyways, there's some write-up of like what cars are coming out for 2017 and release 2, and how to join the Johnny Lightning Club, and the GTO that you'll receive free, and blah blah blah. So let's get him out the car and take a look at him. So here he is, and it is very nicely done. As you can see, it's got the details for the gas cap. The door handle and door lock is detailed there. And then, let me zoom in instead of holding it so close and getting it blurred. Okay, there we go. So you have the detailed rectangular recessed marker lights, which were new for 69. They were round little things in 68 on all models. In 69, they started the recessed rectangular. So as you can see, nice detailed grille, headlights. It's even got the side louvered hood. Nice detailed engine. A little bit small on the engine. Inner fenders are a little bit big, but hey, who cares? It's not bad because I leave it displayed with the hood closed. And this one usually goes inside the showroom. I kind of use it as like a imitation GSS, like 383 or 440 dart for Mr.Norm, because I have the GSS 340 tri-power Demon in the showroom, so they look good together. Sitting there, although this isn't really a GSS, I just call it that. So let's see what this plate says, if we can get it focused in. I don't even know if it says anything, and the decal is crooked. You see the Dodge on the deck lid. Let me see if I can see. I think it says GT Dart, but I'm not sure. 69 Dart. Not sure. I can't get it to focus too well. So let's zoom back out. So there is the Dart, guys. And nice detail on the chassis. Metal on metal. Nice heavy casting. And as I mentioned, I'll show you the AW, which they always say that they are true to scale. So there's your 70 to 72 style. Actually, it'd be like 70 to 76 style, just tail lights and bumpers and grills and shit like that changed. But anyways, it was a little bit smaller than the 67 to 69s. So as you can see, pretty accurate. A little bit shorter. If that was real, maybe like 6 to 8 inches shorter or something like that. The width would have been pretty much the same, which it is. So that's why I said this is pretty accurate for their 7 to 69s. Now I also have a JL Dart from the 70 to 76 style, and I will show that to you guys now because it is a little bit poorly done in my opinion. It's actually a little bit big, but not too bad. Let's get the Auto World and put him next to it. As you can see, the JL is the orange one, which it is a little bit longer, and the B pillar is huge. I don't know what's going on there with the B pillar, but yeah, that is the JL 70 to 76 style and such. Actually, I should probably just be saying 70 to 72 because the only difference between them are the marker lights and the grill. So your 70 to 72 style and 73, they changed the front fenders and put the big crash style bumpers on it. But still not a bad looking car. It's just not as well done as the Auto World 70 to 72 style. But on the other hand, the JL 67 to 69 style, which we're showcasing today, is very nicely done. So there you have it, guys. That is it for Mopar Monday. We will be back on Wednesday to do another Wagon Wednesday. We have the counterpart to the 69 Kingswood Estate Zinger. We'll bring back out the version B and unbox the A and show them side by side because it is a very subtle difference. The colors are almost identical in my opinion. So we'll look at those on Wednesday. So enjoy the first part of your week and thanks for watching.